Hey guys, Jesse here from King Domes, showing you a, I think it's about 18-month review on the lovely 5-metre dome here at the gorgeous peach farm here on the just off the M1, right in between Brisbane and Sydney. I think you're about, from memory, it's about an hour north of Coffs Harbour. Showing you a 5-metre King Dome on a concrete slab. One of the few clients of ours who actually have put it on a concrete slab. Most common by far is definitely a platform of some sort. But yeah, just showing you, just because I'm here, just had to assist with rectifying a curtain issue. It's just putting a new screw in, basically, nice and easy. But yeah, just thought I'd show you what they've done with the place. It's our smallest dome, the little Bubby Dome, 5-metre King Dome. Just under 20 square metres of floor space, but they've really utilised that outdoor area here to really hone in on what I think is a true, authentic glamping accommodation. Here, you know, you've got the seating area, outdoor bath, outdoor shower area, toilets in there as well. You've got a beautiful little kitchen, and it's just so simple and rustic. That's just an old, old water tank. They've got the gas for the hot water feeds. You know, they've got a few solar panels on the roof, and it's just done so well here. I absolutely love it. They also have a bit of a petting zoo over there, and of course, being called the Peach Farm, they do grow peaches, and I think we're coming right now into the perfect time of year for it, or maybe we've just passed, I'm not too sure off the top of my head. As they got the basin there. Next you got the shower. It's just so simple, yet so gorgeous. I love it, absolutely love it. You know, very simple framing system. You've just got, collarbone steel on the roof. Solar panels on there just to feed a bit of 12-volt power. Got the toilet there. They have just emptied it yesterday. It is Monday. You got your gas system there. Just a basic battery. There's not much in terms of power inside, which I will be going into right now. As I mentioned, this is a 18th month review. They are just cleaning it. I think someone stayed here yesterday, and but yeah, just gorgeous. Now this looks to be, is it a queen or a king? 1, 2, that's probably a king bed. Just to give you a size comparison, king bed, nice hanging chair there, mini fridge, some water, fan. All you really need inside. You're not really spending all the time inside unless it's pouring with rain. And a bit of feature comforts just to break up the neutral tones in here, because it is very neutral tones, a lot of greys, and then you bring the colour with obviously the plants and bits and bobs there. This region has a lot of beautiful national parks nearby. I actually stayed at one right on the beach the last time I was here, actually. I am welcome to stay here, but I thought, nah, stay on the beach, why not? Get a nice coastal breeze, and yeah, but 5-metre King Dome, that's 18 months in. The cover still looks nice and fresh. Not sure when the last time they cleaned it, but yeah, heading up to Queensland now. But just wanted to show you guys a very simple way to do glamping. Our most popular size is a 7-metre for the eco resort industries, where you have a kitchenette inside, bathroom inside, air conditioning, wood fire heater and everything. But sometimes it's just the plain and simple things, they just keep it easy. From memory, correct me if I'm wrong, I might put it on the screen if I do get it wrong, but I think they charge about $3.60 I think per night. And last time I chatted to the lovely owners of the Peach Farm, they were saying that they're getting booked every weekend solid, and then the drip feeds throughout the week as well. So you can't complain. Such a gorgeous area. The M1 is about 100 metres that way, so it's very convenient for them. And yet, you can almost can't even hear them. It's just like a humming background noise, really, which is absolutely great. But yeah, again, Jesse from King Dome, showing you a 5-metre King Dome. Cheers.